I cannot wait to eat this freshly baked Reuben sandwich. Yo, dude, can I steal your Reuben sandwich? Do you want to take a bite of this Reuben sandwich? Cause if so, you can feel free. Nah, man, I want to do something totally different. I want to put this Reuben sandwich in a statue I'm building. I mean, in that case, no. Why would I want to put a freshly baked Reuben sandwich in a statue? That's kind of a waste of a freshly baked Reuben sandwich. I just don't care. I'm gonna take this sandwich anyway. Thanks for the sandwich.
By golly, that seems like a sign of distress. I must depart.